Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So this is a quick haul video that I got in March, and I just want to share with you a few things. So I got some more of the Catherine Pooler inks, and I'm just showing you the different colors that I wind up getting. I eventually hope to get the entire collection, but I'm just slowly getting it as Michelle gets them in the shop. I got this new Nuvo brush. It's a different style brush, and I know a lot of people think, like, what's the point? There's all these brushes. And to be honest, I don't know, but I figured this would be a fun thing to try. It's very soft, and I like the way it feels. And of course, just like with anything from Nuvo, I really like their attention to their packaging. It's really awesome. I got two of the Vickie Booten crayons. Now, I believe these work very much like those Prima, oh my gosh, I just lost the word, but they're very similar to the Prima ones I have, where they're like a pastel, but they're water soluble, so you can use it like a watercolor. You can color directly onto something and then, use water to kind of spread it out. There's a lot of different techniques, and I think it's Jessica from the design team on My Little Scrapbook Store. She used them in a live video, and it was really interesting. And when I saw it, I was like, dang you, Jessica. So I got the two that she had in stock. And then I also got this. This is a card kit. And what is interesting about this card kit, I'm going to hold up the back. You not only get the cards and the envelopes, but you get foam dots, you get ephemera pieces, and you get like some sentiments. I think there's even some like washi tape style. It looks like stickers basically. And I was going to open it and I was like, no, I'll wait, because I'm thinking if no one else is going to do it, I may do either a video showcasing this or I may do it on my live. I'm not sure yet. Now, in this, I should have gotten two. That's what I was trying to tell you there. But that is an acetate sheet that is stunning. I don't even know where I'm going to use it, but I'm excited. And then you have the rainbow stencil. I got this blessed stamp, also from Catherine Pooler. And I like the sentiments, how they line up together, and the word blessed. I've used an Altenew set that I have in my stash that has blessed and hope. So I definitely like these sentiments, that they help brighten someone's day, And then those are rainbow pins. These are foam stickers. They're like pressed flower. They're really nice. And Michelle was right. They're really pretty in person. And then these pins, I had to get those because I felt like it could work with really any collection. And I was trying to find my best friend on here, who I always talk about, Beatrice. She got me a little pillow that was in the shape of the poo emoji. And I thought I had it behind me, but I don't. So as soon as I saw the poo sprinkles, I was like, I had to get that. And I really should have gotten two, so that way I could leave one forever and then use the other. I got another one of the Storyteller's butterflies. That's what I was showing you there. I just really like those butterflies. They're layered and you can scrunch them up. It's really nice. And then I got the 6x12. Is it 6x12? No. 6x8 paper pad of the Storyteller collection. And I was thinking about using this for maybe my sketches, my sketch series that I do on Fridays. I'm not sure yet, because for me, it's always like a feel I get when I see the paper. And so I'm waiting on that one. I also got these 3 sprays that Michelle had examples of in the live sale, so I had to get. And then this is a sequin package from Catherine Pooler that is stunning. I love it. And then I got a new metal tin to hold my sprays, because I didn't have one for the new sprays that were coming out. But I found the Jen Hadfield. It fits inside it. You got to squeeze it a little bit. They're about the same size, but if you just press a little bit harder, it'll go in there. And then those other ones were a little bit too small, but it works. So I think, was that everything? I think that was everything. Lord Jesus. So it's time to get busy. I don't know about you guys. I always buy supplies and then it seems like I don't get into them right away. I'm hoping, especially as I'm starting to do more and more videos and I'm trying to get them out ahead of time for my sketches, that I can start working on other stuff and have some other videos starting to pop up. So keep an eye out. Okay, so thank you guys so much for joining me. Hit the like or subscribe button and I will see you guys with the next video. And in the more section, I will try and make sure to have links to Michelle's Facebook and the shop. Okay, so thanks you guys and have a great day.